How's it going, everybody? This is Coach Wade, and we're on the credit card broker side of the site, and I will put a link in the description for the video to bring you directly to this resource. And we're going to scroll down until we see OpenSky Launch Secured Visa Credit Card. You're pre-approved. Start building credit with just $100. You secure your line with a low refundable security deposit. No credit check is required. 89% approval rate with zero credit risk to apply. Annual fee billed in monthly installments of $2 per month in year one and then $3 per month thereafter. You can earn up to 10% cash back on everyday purchases. Affordable payments, minimum payments as low as $10. Credit needed for this particular product is bad credit or no credit. All right, so this is a great way to start building and reestablishing your credit. And again, it's going to report to all three of the major credit bureaus. There's going to be Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. All right, so when it comes to the OpenSky Launch Secure Visa Credit Card, you will have the ability to start, again, establishing that credit with a low refundable deposit. You can pretty much don't have to worry about putting up a lot of money, but I highly recommend the higher the amount of money you put in there, the higher the limit, and the higher the limit, the more creditors can say that you can handle your finances or handle your credit. So be sure to be responsible. Keep utilization rates at 30% or less, no matter what kind of credit card that you get, so you can optimize your credit score. But again, check out the OpenSky Launch Secure Visa Credit Card. Apply now today. I will put the link in the description for the video to bring you directly to the OpenSky Launch Secure Visa Credit Card opportunity where you can take advantage of. Until we meet again, you guys have a great day. Take care.